Who are you?
I came prepared.
Young girl, who are you? Edochie?
I don't know. Patience, my queen. Patience.
What I see here is a first school leaving certificate.
And what I have here is SSCE with 7 F's and 2 D's.
One D, that D is for driver, my queen. The driver that you are looking for. I'm at your service. I can go anywhere. On the Chawiliaba, Sokotoba, Chikano. And I can go at any time of day. Morning, noon, or night.
What kind of a girl are you?
To get a driver, my queen.
But your testimonial says you're hardworking but a noisemaker.
Testimonial by useless people. I'm the real deal. I'm a soft worker. I'm not the fast worker, I'm a soft worker.
Veronica!
My queen, Verona, remove the nika. It's bad woman.
Well, I'm sorry we do not need a female driver. What we need is a vibrant young man.
Take it, please. I need this job. I really need this job. Please, my queen. I'm very vibrant. I'm very vibrant. I can slap a police officer.
How many years driving experience do you have?
7 years. I started with wheelbarrow. On wheelbarrow, I moved to bicycle. From bicycle, my queen, I moved to Okada. I moved to Kekenepap to pick up van with meat, fresh meat. From pick up van, I started driving anything apart from aeroplane.
Apart from aeroplane?
Majesty, I'm driving crazy. It's a limited business. Grab your copy now. It's a limited opportunity. Grab it now.
It's okay. Can you give us a moment to talk? Go outside. I didn't ask you to sit. I said go outside. Not that way. Use the door.
Thank you.
Yes.
Go like that. Yes. Hey, my queen.
Take this. Outside.
Yes.
Stop that! Why are you here?
I'm here to see the king.
And who are you?
The king is expecting me.
He didn't tell me someone is coming to see him. So who are you?
Can you kindly tell him that Dozier, the Katki's son, is here to see him?
Are you sending me on an errand? Eh? As in what? Chief Odinka or what? You are sending your boy. Go ahead. See, you better tell me why you are here or I'll put you out.
Bros, I beg, the sun too much. If you wear protector, I know wear sun protector, I beg. I want to see the king.
That is why you need to tell me who you are. Identify yourself and why you are here, or I'll put you out, brother. Here is my office. Hey! Stop it.
Yeah. Take. I don't think I like her. She looks like a talkative.
Your Majesty, let's give her a try. I like her boldness. I like her confidence. She seems to have a very good sense of humor.
Well, the Cactus has already told us his son is interested in being our driver. So?
Your Majesty, I like Vera. I like her. It will not be a bad idea to have a female driver in this palace.
Can't imagine me having a female driver. Honestly, it beats me.
Fine, Your Majesty. Let me employ her as my personal driver. Why don't you take the Katsuki son as the palace driver? Instead of God. Anybody from my village, my mother's side, my father's side, this is not their job. They say that I will not get this job. Die by fire! 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 Anybody else? Die by fire! 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 You want to obstruct my promotion? Die by fire! 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 Die by fire!
What is the fire?
Anybody with papa's cap and their face like catfish with yellow ankara that's disturbing me in this my prayer and say I will not make progress. Die by fire! 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 Die by fire!
Well, young woman, I'm sorry, I do not need your services.
Hey, please, Your Highness. I don't want to faint, please.
Don't worry. I'll make my personal driver.
Aye! God, that answer by fire. Thank you very much, my queen. Thank you very much, my queen. Congratulations, man. You are a very lucky woman. You are a very lucky woman. You are a very lucky woman. Congratulations, man.
Veronica should be the one congratulating you.
Ah, no, my queen. Take all the congratulations. You deserve it, ma. Take all. I don't need it. Yes, ma. Congratulations.
You shall resume work tomorrow.
No. I resume work today.
Yes?
Where's the khaki?
You have to go home and bring your things.
Okay. Congratulations, ma. Congratulations, ma. Thank you, sir.
Come back, see your credentials, take them.
Oh, no, Majesty. It's for you, sir. It's for you, sir. I don't need it, sir. It's for you, sir. I go now. Thank you, ma. Thank you. Woman, doctor, woman. Woman understand. Woman, doctor, woman. Woman understand. Once again, congratulations, ma. Congratulations, sir. I'm in trouble.
You find this funny, isn't it?
It's very funny. I had to enjoy it.
It's your stuff.
Yes.
Woman talk to woman, she understand. Men talk to men, but women talk to women, she understand. Men talk to men. If you crack my back, I go crack your back, my dear. If you crack my back,
Open the door.
I thought I gave you the car keys.
Yes, I forgot my queen.
So open it, I want to go.
Ede! Yeah? Open. Okay.
Veronica, I'm almost late. Open the car. Just start it. Let me start going.
Yes. Start the car.
What are you doing?
Your car, sir.
I'll take it. I told you I'm going to see my contractors. Why are you being silly?
Because the girl, his pastor will never shoot you get too.
Why are you asking such a stupid question?
You know this new technology. For my career again, it's going to be under. This new ones now,
Veronica, I don't want to talk this morning. There is time for everything. Start the car and take me out of this place.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's go.
I'm looking for the ignition.
Veronica, don't tell me you don't know where the ignition is.
That Odimgbe's one, I know it's on top of under. This new one, I don't.
Give me the key. Go back to wherever you came from. Just go. Leave me alone. What did I put myself into? What is it?
Escort, man.
I don't want you to escort me. Just go back. Get away from here. don't know what I got myself into by hiring you. Huh? Veronica, leave me alone.
That's not.
Did I do wrong by employing you?
No, ma.
Just go.
Okay. I put your bag, ma.
This your character, it tie everybody. This your wall, na headache you. Every day to love, every night for road.
Can I be your chief mate? I can do other things.
Veronica, I don't want to repeat myself. I said go back to wherever you came from.
I'm sorry, ma. I say, can I do another thing like chief maid? I can do chief maid very well.
I already have a maid.
Okay, what about private maid or public one?
If you don't stop, I'm going to call the guards to bundle you out of this place.
Your Majesty, please. I need to work. My mother is very sick and I need to feed her and pay her hospital bills. Please.
Can you cook?
Yes, very well.
In that case, I'm going to put you on trial first. But in the meantime, you have to be the cleaner.
Yes, I clean very well.
Veronica, I'm not done talking.
Sorry, Your Majesty.
You have to be my cleaner. If you're able to do it very well and satisfy me, I'll promote you to be my cook.
Cook?
Yes, cook.
I will clean. I clean.
If you don't want these jobs I talked about, Veronica, you can go.
No, I clean. I clean. I'm a good cleaner. His hands. You're created to clean. Cleaning machine. I clean, ma. I clean now.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning your shoe, ma. I'm cleaning.
Leave me alone!
Vero sure say you sabi this work. Vero say she be professional. Any kind of work, she go do it. Any type of job, she go
Vero!
do it. As professional where she be, she's expecting promotion. But if you
I'm fine. And you?
You shall resume work next week. The king and I have talked about it.
Oh, thank you so much, ma. Thank you. I'm grateful. Please, can I see the king and thank him?
You can't see him right now. He went to the site. But I'll tell him you came.
Oh, okay, ma. Thank you.
Veronica! Vero!
My love, wait, I'm talking to you. My love. Love, wait, I'm talking to you now. Please. Please.
Dozie. What else do you want to say? If not, I should be patient. That you have plans. For how long am I going to be patient? Eh? I'm a woman. I have needs. I need to be taken care of. Eh, Dozie?
My love, I know. That's exactly what I'm trying to say. Okay? I just want you to be patient with me. I have faith that in the next 1 month, everything will be okay. Just reason with me, please.
Reason with me. If I don't get today.
I'll go get them tomorrow.
Oh, really? He knows the song.
That's all I ask for. Just reason with me.
Hey, God.
Please.
Wait, Odozie. Are you planning to become a money ritualist?
No, God forbid. Why would you think of such now? I got a job at the palace. Yes, I got a job to become the official driver of the king with a fat salary.
You're joking, right?
I'm not joking. That's what I've been trying to tell you, for you to be patient with me. That's a good news. So I believe with that kind of job, I will be able to save up for my Canada trip.
Dozie. Now you're talking. Eh? Now you're talking. This is my dossier. Eh? Baby, see, once you start working, I'll buy new clothes now. Even shoes. And change this my palasa hairdo.
Let the job come first before you start changing invisible.
Okay, no problem. But you promise?
Yes, I promise. I'm just not happy that you can't be patient with me. Huh? You can't just be patient with your man.
Okay, I've heard you. No problem. Don't worry. You'll be the driver. Don't worry. Money will come. I'll do all those things. You give me that money, I'll buy the things I want to buy too.
It's alright. Let's go back to the house.
To the house? No money now. You want house?
What is it? So you drag me out here for your usual gossip?
Wait, hold it there. So you now call me a gossip? Anyways, I overheard that foolish Veronica asking the queen for promotion. So she wants to be promoted so they will send me out of this palace. It will not happen. It won't happen.
So you brought me out here to tell me this. I'm on my lane, Don't involve me in any form of jealousy, please.
I am on my own lane, Don't involve me in anything else. That's why you're like that. Overripe popo.
Veronica, I don't want to be angry at you. Leave me alone. Just promote me. Promote me, please. Let's open that gate. Veronica! My food. What is it, Veronica?
Promotion, ma.
Let me tell you, you know Sabi use your brain. Yes, but I tell you, if Nami be you as plan A fails so, I'll switch you over to plan B. Boom, immediately. I shall promote you. Yes.
Well, what is plan B?
Plan B. See, let me tell you. Plan B is just for you to go straight to her and be doing protests. You know, as Nigerian Labour Congress, as they normally do their protests. Iwe, Zobu, Enyimba, all of them, they'll come out in mask, hooding leaves, they'll be shouted, something like that. If you do it, Madam will promote you immediately. Yes.
Big board and banner.
Hey, I don't go agree. You'll be shouting it. Madam is a good person, she get good heart. Yes. Nice plan B for you. Boom, you switch to plan B. Just try it.
She's expecting promotion, but if you deny her promotion, no protection. Get you ready for her to run, no protection.
Baby, you've promised me 1,000,000 times that you would take me as your second wife. Yet you've not made any formal move to actualize it.
I made a promise and I will fulfill it. I am king.
When? When exactly?
At the right time.
Really? At the right time? Then this relationship will have to continue at the right time.
Wait, come back here. Come back to this bed. Come back. What's this about? Have to be so... Come on. Come here.
You just have to be fast about it. I can't wait anymore.
Don't worry. It's my baby. I am king. Whatever I promise, I fulfill.
Okay. Oh my God, I'm so exhausted. Where are your girls? I need something chilled. Oh. Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Give me a glass of chilled water.
Alright.
So, what of your husband?
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. I shall always fight for my right. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. I shall always fight for my right.
Veronica! What's the meaning of this nonsense?
Solidarity!
What's the meaning of this nonsense? Could you just stop?
Who is this mad girl?
Are you out of your senses?
Tell you respect, Lolo. I'm protesting for my right, which is my promotion. If you do not promote me, this protest will continue.
Veronica, I can condone everything in this palace but madness. Don't take the likeness I have for you for granted.
Even if you like me, you promote me. Because if you do not promote me, this small protest now will turn to riot. Riot will turn to burning tire. Burning tire will turn to house arrest. House arrest will turn to another thing. Soli.
What is your name?
Vero.
Veronica, you mean?
Remove the nika. Vero. Come. Solidarity forever.
Veronica. Cool.
Solidarity forever. We shall all.
Veronica, please stop saying.
Listen, Your Highness, my wife's condition is giving me sleepless nights. I've tried everything and nothing is working. No results.
Your Highness, one thing with childlessness that it makes you think that you're on the world. But as long as the problem is not from you or your wife, you have to be patient and wait for the right time.
Right time? When is the right time? It's been 17 years. 17! I can count them at the tip of my fingers. My first son should be playing in the European League now. So when is the right time?
Your Highness, I've seen a couple of checkless after 21 years of marriage.
That couple is not royalty. I need an heir to the throne. I need a son I can call my own who will take after me when I'm gone. Listen, I'm thinking of taking another wife.
Your Highness, getting another job or other?
I'm a king, don't forget. I can handle anything. Everything. Kings handle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wives. I have the wherewithal.
Have you discussed with your wife?
That's where the trouble is. I've not found the heart to talk to her about that.
Your Highness, patience. waste my lost time.
God's time, right time. God's time, right time. Where's this taking me to?
No, is she still breathing? Let me check. Yes, I think so. Why do you have to hit her head like that? I'm weak. Hey, thank you, Jesus.
Where am I?
Thank God. Thank God.
Why is everybody thanking God? Somebody died?
No, nobody died.
What happened?
Nothing.
Why is everybody wearing black? Why are you wearing black? Huh?
Yes, Your Majesty. It's happened. So that you can go to her room. When you rest and wake up, I will give you the job.
Which job?
What you wanted me to give you. Carry her inside now. Oh, just come down. I have to go now. You guys start going. You've caused enough trouble already. Go! Sorry.
Oh. Ah, Eheme. Want to cook?
You want to cook? Hey! Go and cook. What do you want to cook?
Fried rice.
Yeah! Go and cook. No, just cook everything you want. Just go. Go and cook. Go.
My queen. The fried rice.
What is this?
It's fried rice. I fried it very well. It's like popcorn.
What? Look at what you did.
Yes.
What are these carrots doing here?
It's carrots for the fried rice.
Hey! Do you know I used my money to go and buy trouble?
You did?
Yes!
When?
You are a huge trouble. So you never knew how to cook. I have to make sure you didn't know how to cook. So what is this you cooked? Veronica, go and get pen and paper and let me write you recipe on what to cook and how to cook. Get out. Go. What is this? A human being cooked this. Look at the way she chopped pepper. Chopped. Ah! This is poison.
I never see this type of girl before. I never see this kind girl before. Veronica, not talkative. Veronica, why?
Wow, what beauty. She is beautiful. What a beauty.
Is that not the king? Was he actually staring at me? What could he want? I wish he could just turn back and talk to me. Just turn. Please turn now. Turn. Just turn back.
Now. Get prepared. I got the love for my no leave, no transfer. I beg go kwa chiri palace. You go here. Veronica, Veronica, Asimu remove call me come manage Veronica, Asimu remove call me come manage
No, first boil the meat very well. If you want the meat to taste nice, then you cannot add egusi, oil, maggi, and every other thing.
Vero?
Egusi, sir. Egusi, sir. Oh, welcome, sir.
Why are you talking to yourself, going around the compound like a man?
You must first boil the meat very, very well. After boiling, you can now add the egusi, the palm oil, the crayfish, the maggi, and the salt before you now put.
What are you saying?
The egusi soup, sir. You must first boil the meat very, very well. If you want the meat to taste nice.
Everybody they hear we because of Pharaoh. Even Igwe and Lala because of Pharaoh. Everybody they hear we because of Pharaoh. Even Igwe and Lala.
Pharaoh. Take this to Nouah's wife. Tell her to share it with her co-wife. You must first boil the meat very, very well with a lot of seasoning, egusi, ugu leaf and other things. Are you alright? If you want the meat to taste nice, you must first boil it very, very well with a lot of seasoning.
Everybody they hear we because of Pharaoh. Even Igwe and Lala because of Pharaoh. Everybody they hear we because of Pharaoh. Even Igwe and Lala because of Pharaoh. Don't palace here. Obuluze market here. Ebana ito belala. Everybody they hear we because of Pharaoh. Even Igwe and Lala because of
Hey, Chimo.
What is it? What's the latest this time around?
Just because someone greeted her on the road, she forgot all her recitations. Hey, Chimo.
Someone told you. Even if someone told you, how is that supposed to be my business? How? I mean, why do you always stop me to talk about Veronica? What problem do you have with her?
My problem with her is that she has made herself my rival. Yes, she made herself my rival the moment she started asking the queen for my position. That's the problem I have with her.
You know what? I am done with this. I have some things to get from the market. Excuse me.
I never see this type of girl before. I never see this kind of girl before. Veronica, not talkative. Veronica, why you like it trouble in person?
My queen, you sent for me.
Is Vera back from the market?
No, she's not yet back.
It's past 3 p.m. and she's not yet back.
My queen, maybe she went to see her mother.
She told she was going to see her mother.
No, she did not.
It's alright, let me some fruit juice.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Mother, where are you going?
Where are we now?
Last bus stop.
I'm not going to last bus stop. I'm going home.
Madam, come down. Pay me and come down.
Come down and pay you what? If you're not taking me to my destination, then take me back to where you brought me from.
Madam, I'll go move this motor.
Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? If you move this, are you saying my bid? If you move this car, I'll be arrested. I'll arrest you. You beg. Oh, you will beg. You will beg, and I will not listen to you. You will beg. You will cry and beg.
Madam.
You know who I am? You will sleep in jail. Oh.
Me.
You are playing with jail.
Me.
You will sleep in jail.
Me.
Stop this car now.
Okay.
Take me back.
Okay.
You will beg, oh. You will beg. It's I'm playing with you.
Okay.
Okay. You think you're stubborn? Do you think you're stubborn?
Hello?
You're lucky it does.
Is that Baba? Okay, Baba.
You're lucky it does.
There is that woman. You told me to bring one woman for ritual so that I go be rich. Yeah, I don't carry the woman now. So I won't carry the woman. Go come your place now. You dey hear me? You understand? You dey hear me? I won't carry the woman come your place. No. I had the woman dey my motor now.
Bros. Come down. Make a peace.
No. I'm not your bros. I am not your bros. This is an opportunity to become a rich man. I'm not your... Baba, you dey hear me?
Bros, I beg, sir. Please, sir. Make I just come down, pay money, make a peace, I beg.
Will you shut up? Shut up! So now you want to pay me, Abi? Yes. No. You want to ruin the chance for me to be a rich man. You are just ruining it now.
Yeah, I'm not fan. I don't have anybody. Please don't use me for ritual, please. Let me just come down here and pay you money, please.
Give me the money. Give me. Come down. Come down, no change. Come down. Okay. Oh, yeah, don't open them. Come down.
I never see this type of girl before.
They get sense.
I never see this kind of girl.
You won't use my brain at me. You won't use my brain for this time.
Not talkative. Veronica, why you like it troubling person? This your character, it tie everybody. This your wall, not headache. Every day to love you, every night for road to love you, for house for market to love you, everywhere.
What more do I need? You're cute, you're rich, you're
and I'm the king.
Of power. I need it.
Igwe. Hey, I thought you were in Aba.
What are you doing here? Vero?
Where am I? Yeah. I went to the market to buy food stuff. The taxi man almost used me for money making ritual. So I just found myself here. As I found myself here, I saw you here. I'm thinking maybe I'm in Aba.
Oh, serious? I was going home.
Okay, my king, eh? Bye-bye, take care. Vera. Vera. My darling, how are you? I hope you didn't see anything.
Hey, no. You know the auntie that almost broke my brain with your shoe?
My darling, I am sorry. I was only angry.
I did not say anything, no. I did not even see you and Iyke kissing. I did not even see you playing with Igwe's breast and Iyke touching you. I did not see. And even if I saw, I'm not a gossip. I cannot tell anybody.
Good girl, eh? I like you so much. You know what? I am going to give you some money, eh? So you will use it and look for a very comfortable taxi and go home, eh? Oh yeah, take it. Velo, you didn't even say thank you.
Can I say thank you to a bribe? Do you want your money back?
For what? It is yours now. I gave it to you. I keep it. It's yours, eh? Keep the balance even.
Very sure say you fit to do this work. Very sure say you sabi this work. Very say she be professional. Any kind of work she go do am. Any type of job.
No. What is the problem?
Veronica is missing.
Vero?
Yes.
Missing how? Did you send her anywhere?
Yes, I sent her to leave market since morning. And she's not here back.
And she's not a child. She will certainly come back. Probably she went to see her boyfriend. You never can tell.
How can she be with her boyfriend for over 6 hours? Me, I'm worried.
Oh, she must be in a marriage.
Veronica, where have you been? Where have you? It's a long story, oh. It was a very, very long story.
Make it short and tell me.
Tell her.
Tell her what?
I told you now. Tell her.
See, listen. Do you know who I am? Eh? I have gun and I can shoot and kill anybody that messes with me. Don't try me.
You have gun? Today is a bad day. It's a bad day. Okay. Lelo, I bought everything that we need for the egusi soup.
Don't ever say we. You told me you're a perfect cook now, so better go and make that egusi soup and serve everybody.
Go to the kitchen.
Go to the kitchen and make the soup.
Today is a bad day. Congratulations, ma. Thank you very much, ma. Congratulations again, ma. I go and make the soup.
What's going on? You kept me since morning and you're just here now.
Can you imagine? Let's go inside.
What would she be doing about it?
Do I know? That girl that is silly.
Leave her, let's go. Let's go.
Vero, allow me. See, make I tell you. Put, if you like, put 7 cups of pepper, no problem. Put all the put onions, put maggi, put egusi, put, you don't want to hear something. Put 7 cups, no problem. Put 7 cups of pepper. Put onions, put account, put all the put them. Egusi, 7 cups, everything 7 cups. Look at you. Yes. 7 cups of pepper. Put. want me to rent your car?
This is the one I was telling you about. And it's very beautiful. Yes.
Once my husband comes back from Aba, I am going to order for this one.
Okay, that's beautiful.
Do you know you have eyes for good things?
Of course.
Oh, good.
What?
He wants to partner with Abia State government to reopen his father's brewery.
Are you sure he doesn't go there to see another woman?
My husband cannot go to Aba to see another woman because I know I am beautiful. He has eyes only for me.
You trust him so much, don't you?
Sure, I do. Because he trusts me as well.
Well, I like your confidence in him.
Thank you.
There is something I've been meaning to tell you about your condition.
Nora, if it's about adoption, count me out. I'm not interested.
My friend, you could get yourself a young blood to get you pregnant.
Nora, can we talk about something else, please?
My queen, Vero said I should ask you if she should add palm oil or egusi.
Tell Vero to leave me alone. Tell her to add whatever thing she wants to add. Why are you laughing?
Yes, my queen.
Oh, my friend, how do you cope with this silly girl, Vero?
Yeah, what is it?
I want to have that's rubbish that Veronica cooked. I thought you know how to cook.
See. Long throat is what will kill you. Abirogo logo. So you went to taste that rubbish that Vero is cooking. You have not seen anything.
Please help me with water.
Pepper.
Help me with water.
Help you with water.
If possible, ice block.
Okay.
Please, oh.
I'm coming. Oh, I'm coming.
It's just small, it's ready.
Not to say the plants out. So if it's ready, bring it down and start everybody.
Because since this year now thieves are shooting with my head, I'm forgetting some kind of important things. You know what? Let me test the food. Let me test for you. What is the one that's all of this? Yeah, test. Okay.
What is it?
What is it? What Nara? Is this? This is poison. Eh? No, it's a what did you put in the soup? Try! That's what?
When she wants to be like that. Nora, calm down.
Ice block. I need ice block. What did you give me? Hey! My head though. My head!
I never see this type of girl before. I never see this kind of girl before. Veronica, not talkative. Veronica, why you like it trouble in person? This your character, you tie everybody. This your wallow.
My mouth.
What's happening to you?
My throat, I can't feel my throat.
Sit.
I can't sit. I can't sit.
What is wrong with you?
That stupid mate, that stupid head in your house tried to poison me. Oh God.
You went to the palace?
Why
did you go to the palace?
My king, I was only trying to make sure she didn't say anything to the queen about us.
You didn't.
That's all.
I know that. Now this. Go take your bath. Take your bath. Pour some cold water in your mouth. Oh, woman. Why go to the palace?
Thank you. You're a nice person.
What did she put in that soup that is making everybody mad? What else, if not too much pepper? Pepper? I don't believe that. I think she poisoned that soup. She did not poison the soup. Veronica is a terrible cook. She's terrible. But trust me, I know what to do to get her off my position. What will you do? Just wait and see. Make sure you put your ears to the ground. When I start, you will find out. What is it?
Come out. My mouth is on fire.
Go, what is it?
It's as if they're frying a cry in my mouth.
Okay, come.
It's as if they're frying a
Calm down first, I'm here.
What?
I'm here, come here. Come, I'm here. Don't worry. You'll be fine. Come, you'll be fine.
Hi! My mouth.
Taste this soup. Are you deaf? No. I said, taste this soup.
My queen, Your Majesty, you know my head is not correct. I'm mad. By the time I leave this soup now, I'll run madder. After mad, I run maddest. After maddest, my enemy will die. My enemy died and my spirit too will die.
Let me remind you, in case you don't know. If you don't taste this soup, I am going to fire you.
Hey, thank you, my queen. Fire me, let me just go to my room now and go arrest. In fact, let me fire myself.
Veronica!
What?
Where do you think you're going?
To the room to that.
We know the person that made this soup.
Yeah.
Taste it.
Hey.
Oh, you made it for us.
That's my queen.
You must taste it.
What? I forgot to tell you. It was not me that made the soup. My spirit was willing, but my body was weak. So it was the body that made the soup, not the spirit.
Let the body taste it now.
No. It was the spirit that made the soup, not the body. And the spirit cannot taste.
No, body can taste. Veronica! Take it! What's that?
Oh God.
Oh, you wanted to kill us.
Oh, Your Majesty.
You must taste. Veronica! I'm not playing. Just taste this soup. You can be mad. If you did before now, you were mad. Let alone now that you have made yourself mad. What's this madness all about?
Oh, my sister, my skin bound on that to leak again.
Veronica!
Vero don't talk palace here. Obuluze market here. Ebana ito belala. Everybody.
Hey, Ego, did you hear that? Veronica said capital of Morocco is Abidjan. Capital of Cameroon. Here. Capital of America, United States. Hey! Oh, voila. She's mad.
I think she's suffering from real madness.
Yes. She's mad.
Because this is getting out of hand.
Don't make me feel bad. I won't spend more than 1 month in London.
I wish I could come with you.
Come on. It's barely 1 month you came back from the US.
It's not enough.
I'm going to miss you so much.
Me too.
Just take care of yourself and be good.
London has you, huh?
Vero said she wanted to speak to me. What's that? Because I said, this is practical. I don't know. My queen, she said even if you don't want to take it, they should share it with your neighbors in London. Tell Vero I don't have neighbors in London. Take that thing back to her! I know, can you imagine?
I never see this type of girl before. I never see this kind girl before. Veronica, not talkative. Veronica, why you like it troubling person? This your character, it tie everybody. This your wall, na headache. Every day, every night, for road, for house, for market, everywhere. Very sure say you fit to do this work. Very sure say you sabi this work. Vero say she be professional. Any kind of work, she go do am. Any type of job, she go do am. As professional where she be, she's expecting promotion. But if you deny her promotion, na protection. Get ready for her trouble. Na protection. Her trouble no dey end. She go protest. But if you deny her promotion, na protection. Get ready for her trouble. Na protection. Her trouble no dey end. She go protest. Veronica no dey mind. She's fighting for her right.
Hello, pretty damsel.
Good afternoon, Your Highness.
How are you?
I'm fine, Your Highness.
Why is a pretty girl like you trekking under the sun? Huh? You should come with the king. I want to surprise you with a special lunch with His Majesty.
Your Highness. Highness, I know you're a very good man. Please take me any kind of lunch you want. I am ready, Your Highness.
All right, get into the car then.
Really?
Come on.
Oh, thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Wow, my eyes didn't deceive me. You are a pretty girl.
Thank you very much, Your Highness.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Boyfriend, quoi? Your Highness, what do I need a boyfriend for? No, in fact, Your Highness, I don't even have time for boyfriends.
I like that. Look, I'm going to take very good care of you, that you will marvel that you were with the king.
Really? Thank you, Your Highness.
Driver, take us to Sunrise Restaurant. Quickly.
Sunrise.
You should enjoy yourself.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Women. They will always be women. Eh? Can you just imagine? I cannot let this happen. I cannot let this happen. Never. Never.
Nice meal. Honestly, if you become my friend, I will take you to Dubai next month for sure. Sure, like that.
Yes, Your Highness. You're a very nice man. Thank you very much.
That's one of those things we do for people.
Come back for identification.
Let's love in sharing.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Well.
Thank you.
Yes.
You have ignored my calls, Your Highness.
I would not like to be disturbed at this point, Nora.
Your Highness.
Your Highness. I want to have a word with you. Now.
I just said I don't want to be disturbed.
Your Highness.
Excuse us.
Your Highness, please give me some more. Let me have some more.
So the king has finally gotten himself a fresh girl after ruling me. Now, I will never let this happen. Never.
Baby, you say you love me, you love me, you love me. Show it, red and present, absent. My dear, Shabby, you say you love me, you love me, you love me. Show it, red and present, 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 present. Present, present. When I'm absent,
Thank you very much, Your Highness. I really had fun.
I like the sound of that.
Thank
Come on,
you.
let's go.
How could you do this to me? You make me cry. How could you do this to me? You make me cry. I can't believe you're the one falling my tears. You fall my tears. Can't believe you're the one causing my tears. You fall my tears. I'm gonna come to me. I
really had fun.
I like the sound of that.
If only all men would treat their women like this, seriously, the world would be a better place.
I haven't even started treating you well. I'm telling you, wait until you go with me to Abuja next week. And I spoil you with all the good things of this world. You will know that I didn't come to play.
Driver, what is it?
It's okay. If you don't mind, I will take you to a place where you can cool off and meet men of high caliber.
Please, Your Highness, take me. I'm ready to follow you anywhere, any place. I am ready. Just take me.
Driver, Sunrise Hotel.
Okay, wait.
Yeah. Turn back.
Yeah. You're such a good man. I know. I know. Take it easy, driver, okay? Easy. Your Highness. You know I don't like stress.
I trust you. comfortable with me.
Thank you. Driver, I said easy. Take it easy.
That's exactly what I'm doing, ma.
Shh.
So quiet. Just try.
Kindness. You're a good man.
Rest of you.
Oh my king, you are strong as a young boy.
Am I not a young boy? Is it because of my grey hair?
Of course you are my king.
Honestly, I'm going to make sure you enjoy every bit of this our relationship.
Really?
I promise you that. All arsenals at work.
Now come, I want to give you more sugar, baby.
Okay.
Look at me.
Hey, what are you doing? Nothing. I was just nothing. You scared me.
How could you do this to me? You make me cry. How could you do this to me? You make me cry. I can't believe you're the one. Falling my tears. You fall my tears. Can't believe you're the one causing my tears. You fall my tears. I'm gonna come to me. Imereya kobi mama. I'm gonna come to me. Imereya kobi ti mama. I'm gonna come to me. Imereya kobi mama. Imereya kobi ti mama. Imereya kobi mama. Baby, forget the Kokomo story.
The king said you should come here first.
Shebi, you say you love me. Show it, red and present, absent, my dear. Shebi, you say you love me. Show it, red and present. Ndi mele wafa. Ndi obiabo. Ndi kwampata. Present. Ndi mele. When I'm absent. Ndi kwampata nazo.
Your driving is too bad.
So you have no atom of remorse, Nana. How could you do this to me? Huh? Nana.
Can you please at least move this car? This place is not safe. Move.
Don't talk to me in that manner.
Dozie, you're so wicked. You're heartless, Dozie. So you want me to remain in poverty because of you?
If you talk to me in that manner, I will reset your memory. I will reset your memory.
Try it, Dozie. Just try it and see what I will do to you. Try it. Rubbish.
Huh? How dare you?
Dozie, I have been recording everything. And if you don't stop, I will call the king and tell him.
You're mad. Call the king. No, I said call the king.
Dozie.
What are you waiting for?
Dozie, don't touch me again.
I'm touching you. Call the king.
Dozie, don't touch me again. Try it. Try touch me again and see.
Wicked person.
Come move this car. Try it. I'm calling the king.
How could you do this to me? You make me cry. How could you do this to me? You make me cry. I can't believe you're the one falling my tears. You fall my tears. Can't believe you're the one causing my tears. You fall my tears. Ugini kamdeme, imere ya kobi mama. Ugini kamdeme mashia, imere ya kobi timama.
Go and make money, common driver.
Baby, forget the Kokomo story.
Your Highness, there are rumors going around town that you're seen with a young girl and open affection. You've always seen the same girl in the tiny hotel.
This is surprising. I mean, am I now restricted from talking to my subjects?
They are my friends. I want to do anything with anybody. Why do it in a closed town? Where everybody will see.
Nze, my good friend. Sometimes when what we seek finds us at the right time. And when it does, it comes with delight.
Need a move of getting yourself a new wife?
Nze, you know I like surprises. Let's drink. So,
Why is your face like this?
It's nobody's business.
Okay. Where is your food?
I don't want to eat.
Are you not hungry?
I said I don't want to eat.
Well, Vero said I should bring this to you. It's your own portion.
I don't want to die. Go and tell her that her food can kill someone. She's a bad cook. Go and tell her that.
Okay. Well, she said I should tell you that it's your portion, so you must eat it.
I reject her portion. Tell her that I don't want her portion. What's your problem? Is it by force? Did you put cotton wool in your ear? Is it not by force to eat?
See, everyone has theirs. This is yours.
If I slap you, you will change color. Take the food out of my face. What's that one now?
Okay. But don't tell me you're hungry.
Muggle. Muggle! Nana. But this time, I need to do something drastic.
What are you doing here?
Do you want to kill me before my time?
I asked, what are you doing here?
What have I done to you? Do I deserve what you're doing to me?
Does he? If you don't leave here, I'm going to call the king and tell him that you're here to rape me. Now leave.
Honestly, I cannot believe my eyes. I cannot believe that you are the one saying this to me. No, like, this is how you plan to call off the relationship we've built for years?
Don't touch me.
Baby, what is it now?
You have finally put me in trouble. Now you can rest.
What do you mean I have finally put you in trouble?
I don't even know what I was thinking. I don't even know why I opened my legs for you.
Oh, wait. You pregnant?
Yes, I'm in trouble.
No. You're not in trouble, my love. You see, I will be starting my job, the driving job I told you about. And I have a plan of selling their car. Yes, stealing the car, sell it somewhere, and make money for us.
And you think it will be that easy?
Of course, it will be easy. You know why? Because I have set out the plans already. We can sell it, go to another town, start a new life. I can do anything for you and my own. So how about our child?
There is no child. I was only pulling your legs because I wanted something. Yes.
You were only pulling my legs because you wanted something.
You heard me.
Do you love him?
Really? Like, you're asking me that question?
Yes.
Does it come on? You already know the answer. Yes. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let me call you back. And what are you doing here?
Anna, what are you trying to do to me? Please don't break my heart.
Doze, I have told you, go and make money first. Excuse me.
Oh my God. I am pregnant. So it has gotten to the point of ignoring my calls.
Send the documents to the office. It doesn't cost you anything. That's what I said. It shouldn't be anything more than that. Okay, I'll talk to you then.
You ignored my calls.
From the beginning, we agreed that this affection will not come home.
It is very important.
I will call you when I am free. I will call you. Excuse me.
God will punish you. So this woman wants to snatch my joy now that God has finally blessed me. God will punish you. Idiot. Just look at my body. Just look at my body. Nonsense. God will punish you there, idiot.
I don't like the look on your face. What is the problem? Listen, tell me what the problem is, and I can fix it. If it's money, I'll fix it.
I'm pregnant.
What did you say?
said I'm pregnant.
What did you say?
Are you angry? If you don't want it, I can get you rid of it.
Get rid of what? Do you know what you're carrying? That's the heir to the throne. In fact, I'm angry that you're even worried. Listen, what do you want me to do for you?
I don't want anything. I just want to be happy.
More than that, I will make you the happiest woman in life. I'll do anything you want for you. I'm telling you. Thank you first. Come on. We have to leave this place. Let's go. Come on. Okay. Well, there we are. So, I don't want you to expose yourself to any form of stress at all. You're going to stay here, eat, drink, and ask for anything you want. And then, of course, rest. Okay? All right.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. I saw beauty, and now I feel beauty.
Thank you.
No kiss. Hope my baby is doing okay. Angel, who offended you?
What am I doing here? I'm carrying your child, and if that matters to you, you take me to the palace.
My dearie, it's not as easy as you think.
But it was easy for you to get between my legs. You are the king! Be bold enough to take care of your responsibility!
Watch what you say to me. I'm still King Odinaka.
And I am the girl that is carrying your first seed!
Listen, my dear, you have to calm down, okay? Calm down. Come on. Nana. Nana. Come into the car, let me take you home.
No. No. I am going home. And when I get home, I am going back to the city. You know what that means.
What will you gain by that? Come, I'll take you home.
What?
I'm serious. Come into the car, I'll take you home.
You're serious?
That's what you always wanted. Come on, let's go. Come on.
How could you do this to me? You make me cry. How could you do this to me? You make me cry. I can't believe you're the one falling my tears. You fall my tears. I can't believe you're the one causing my tears. You fall my tears. I'm gonna come get me. Imereya kobi mama. I'm gonna come get me. Imereya kobi ti mama. I'm gonna come get me. Imereya kobi mama. Imereya kobi ti mama. Imereya kobi mama. Imereya kobi ti mama. Baby, forget the Kokomo story. Imereya kobi mama. Forget anything you want to tell me. Imereya kobi ti mama. Imereya kobi mama. Imereya kobi mama.
This young, beautiful lady here is my health consultant. She'll be watching my health till further notice.
Congratulations, Your Majesty, sir. Which further notice?
Don't be silly. Asking me silly questions. Lebeji,
Your Majesty.
Take this back to my bedroom.
Wait. Your Majesty, if she had consultancy in your room, she'll be doing it from your bedroom.
Edochie, take the bag to my bedroom. Now the rest of you, go back to your duties. Quickly.
What do we offer you? I have rice, I have fried rice, I have stew, I have fried meat, I have catfish, I have assorted.
I'm okay. Nothing. Yes.
Nothing.
Yes.
Head consultancy. You don't want any drink, we have juice, we have brandy.
She said nothing, Vero. Go back to the kitchen.
Yes, sir. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir. Sorry.
Vero.
Sir? Head consultancy, that's not her name. I don't know how I'll be addressing her.
Auntie Nana.
Listen.
Okay. So you can go back now.
Your Majesty, sir.
You know, don't mind. She just wants to be very nice.
No, I understand. I understand.
Okay, let's go to the room so that
Yeah, very important. Your
health watch can start.
Very important.
We have to help out. Or else she'll take over the king. She'll take over the king himself.
Hi, girls. Don't forget that my birthday is on Sunday, and I want you girls to buy yourselves new dresses and shoes.
We do not need your money because you are committing adultery.
I'm going to forgive you because I am very happy today. Very happy. Girls, are you going to reject my money too?
Of course. Of course not.
Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome.
What did you just do? What? We have to help out the queen here. And you're collecting money from her. I don't understand.
And who are we to do so? Are we part of this family? If the king chooses to marry Auntie Nana, what is my business with it?
Please ask her. Ask her. I mean, how can I possibly be drinking medicine for another person's illness? That's not possible.
Well, Veronica, if you like, stand here and be acting obedient maiden. I do not care. See, we are not on the same lane, okay? Are you still standing here?
Driver, that's your friend you brought here. She's evil, causing confusion everywhere. Did you not hear me?
What is your problem now? I don't need that your energy right now. Can't you see that I'm suffering from heartbreak?
So I'm supposed to console you now. I said that shower you brought here is a wicked person.
Can you just let me be?
Driver! Driver!
Stop it.
Driver! Can't you hear your name? Edochie. I want you to meet me inside now.
Can you not see that it's not feeling fine? Is that broken?
I am not talking to you, idiot. And you. If you don't stand up from there, I will tell the king to sack you. You, make sure you clean my room and make my meal before I come back.
No, I'm coming. Don't sack me now. You are asking me.
It is jazz. It's not ordinary, it's jazz. See the way he stood up like a drunkard.
Want me to beg you to take me to where I'm going to? Don't keep me waiting.
Laura, how could you do this to me? This was not how we planned it.
Dozier, we do not have the same plan.
We do not have the same plan. So you have the mind to pay me back this way?
Please, can you move this car? Just move.
Jesus Christ. So what I'm saying is not relevant, eh?
What is your problem? Dozier, am I the one that is meant to suffer? Dozier, so you're not happy that I found love?
You found love?
Yes!
And that's how you left everything that we planned together? Is this the love we promised each other? Because you've seen money? Is that? Why are you so wicked? Why is it easy for you to just say, I've given up on what you've built for years? Why? What we've built for years, it's easy for you to just let go because of money. If someone had told me that this will happen, I would never believe. Someone should wake me up from this dream.
Oh, keep dreaming. Keep dreaming, Dozier. Keep dreaming. Just move the car, okay? You clean my room.
What I'm doing?
Where is the food I asked you to prepare?
I forgot.
You what?
Forgot. You forgot.
On your knees.
Huh?
I said on your knees.
Are you Elena? Elena's. Eleni. Elenli. Elenfu. Eleni. Even the queen cannot tell me to go on my knees. He said go on his knees.
Hello, Angel. How are you? What's the problem? What's the problem? You're not smiling.
Is it not this ignorance? She keeps pissing me off. Since morning I've been hungry and she has refused to let me into the kitchen. And also refused to prepare something for me to eat.
I was just explaining to her. Shh. Well, how many times have I told you to take absolute care?
I'm trying to do what she's
doing. Don't talk, let me finish talking.
Yeah, don't ask me questions.
No. I don't want her in that kitchen. I want her punished now. She must kneel before me. That's her punishment. Your Highness, let's go upstairs so you can freshen up, okay?
Sorry. Yeah. I don't like stubborn people.
And you? I don't want you to stand till I ask you to. Your Highness! I'm coming, Your Highness.
Shamila in. Veronica, so you can kneel down?
Yes, I can kneel down. Very well.
Hey! Chimu, so you can kneel down like this? You better go and beg Auntie Nana. Go and beg her. If not, you will remain like this till tomorrow.
If you are waiting for me to go and beg her, all of you, people will grow on.
Enjoy your position, oh?
Thank you.
Lebechi!
Yes, Auntie?
Whew, what a day.
Oh, honey.
Thank you. My.
So, how was it?
It went very well. In fact, the inspectors will be coming in the next 2 days.
Wow, that's great!
I knew you'd like that. Honestly, you have brought me good luck since you came into this palace, and I appreciate that.
Always. I will always make you happy every day.
Great. You know what? I'm just going to take a shower.
Okay.
And then I'll come back and take you out to lunch. You know Red Lobster?
No.
Eh? Take this off for me. Come on.
I will, baby. I will.
You'd like it.
Okay. Make sure, I repeat, make sure she does not get up from that place till I'm back.
Yes, Auntie.
And if she gets up from where she's going, tell her punishment will be double.
Yes,
okay?
Your Majesty.
Of course, honey. Please, let's go.
I am in charge. Are you going? I will tell her no. I will even add the one you do not see.
Where's the driver? Ete!
Your Highness.
Where's the driver?
Sir, I don't know. Sir, is done me.
Your Highness. Sorry. Are you going now?
Are you mad? Are you stupid? How could you keep the king waiting and still ask stupid questions? Is there anything wrong with you? Will you take us out of this place?
Take us.
Vero straight. Tell Vero to wash this plate manually. That's her punishment for 1 week. Yes, Auntie. And tell Lebechi to supervise her and make sure she washes them well. I will, Auntie.
I'm thinking of preparing a local delicacy for my guests. What do you think?
That would be nice.
Great. maybe we should just prepare nsala soup. Some nice fresh fish.
Nsala soup?
Yes. Or you don't know how to prepare it? Would you rather prepare chicken pepper soup?
Chicken. Nsala soup would be better. Yes.
That's my angel.
Anything for you.
Yeah, okay.
Auntie Nana, do you want anything? No. Edochie, please. Excuse me. You're sure? Yes. Okay. You know I like you, but you're too stubborn.
What do you want?
Can we be friends?
Why?
I need your help.
I knew. What do you want me to do?
Can you cook chicken pepper soup or masala soup?
Who wants to eat it?
We're expecting some visitors in a few days and I must impress the king with a nice delicacy.
Go and cook nsala now.
I would have, but the truth is, I've never cooked in my entire life. I don't know how to cook.
You know, I'm only helping you because I'm a very good person.
Don't be angry, okay? But I'm asking for forgiveness.
How many guests are coming?
3.
3 times 3.
3 times 3 is 9.
9 times 9.
3 times 9. I don't know. What has it got to do with the cooking?
Yeah, cook it now. Since you cannot answer the question, cook it.
No. I'm sorry. Don't be offended. I'm sorry.
9 times 9, no. If it's to snatch somebody's husband, now you can snatch. Yeah, snatches. It's snatcher. It's snatchy. It's snatched. It's snatcher.
Let me use my phone. 9 times 9 is 81.
81 cubes of seasoning.
81?
The pepper soup will be sweet then. In fact, I will advise you, for every one person, give them 3 spoons of salt. Yes. And then a lot of pepper. They will never ever forget they ate this pepper soup. They will never remain the same after eating it.
No. You're a nice person.
Now you talk okay. Yes. Yes. Too small. More.
You're a nice person.
I know. The king will be very proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Do you have more pepper?
Yes, yes. More pepper. Yes, pepper.
Ah, my love. I can perceive the aroma of your delicacy.
Well, I'm done cooking. Let me quickly go and take my shower.
Oh, wait. You have to be fast about that. Okay. Because our guests are already on their way.
I will. Let me quick.
Auntie Nana? Yes? Veronica said you should taste the soup.
I should do what?
Taste the soup.
Tell Veronica that I said she should leave my kitchen at once.
Drop that thing and get me a bottle of red wine. Drop it there.
And whose wife is a good cook. He counts himself lucky. Wait till you taste. Start out. Thank you. Smells nice. You know, one of the delicacies I think. I thought we were going to pray before. Forgive my manners.
Gentlemen, enjoy yourselves.
I thought you wanted to pray. Thank you. What is this? So much salt and pepper. What is this? What's going on? Your Majesty? Excuse me. Let me see. What's this? What's this?
Your Highness. Your Highness. Your Highness. What, Your Highness?
Disappointed at you. You should have told me you do not know how to cook. The simple thing I would have done was to order food from the courthouse.
No, I suspect Vero. I suspect Vero went into the kitchen to ruin my efforts.
Batadash! And stop lying on her. I mean, she confirmed to me that you told her to help you out in the kitchen. Now listen to me. Stay out of that kitchen. Stay out of the kitchen.
You're shouting at me. You're shouting at me now because I love you. Don't worry, I know what to do. I will go back to where I came from and take care of my son alone.
Hey, listen, I wasn't shouting at you.
You are.
I wasn't shouting at you. I just wanted you to know the truth. I mean,
Go back. Go back.
okay, listen, I'm sorry, okay? You don't have to think of going away with my son to raise him outside.
Are you sure?
It's okay. Don't worry, I'll compensate you. I'll order for food, okay?
Tell me sorry.
Sorry.
It's
okay. Vero, I called you because I want to let you know that you will be in charge in the kitchen from now.
In charge of the kitchen?
Yes. Everything going on in the kitchen, all the activities there, you'll be in charge.
The way Ete is in charge of the gate?
Exactly.
Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations, sir.
You should be congratulating yourself.
No, you
Just make sure you don't fail to impress me at lunchtime.
Yes, sir. Yes,
okay?
Sir. Yes, sir. Congratulations again, sir. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations for me.
It's okay. Lunchtime is almost. Don't fail to impress me.
Oh, lunchtime.
Go inside and prepare lunch. That's what I'm saying.
Yes. Congratulations, sir. Congratulations for a good decision, sir. Congratulations. Congratulations, sir.
Vero don't talk palace here. Obuluze market here. Eba na ito belala. Everybody they hear we because of Vero. Even Igwe and Lala because of Vero. Everybody they hear we because of Vero. Even Igwe and Lala because of Vero. Vero don't talk palace here. Obuluze market here.
Since you know the answer.
Now you call me Veronica. You call me Vero, then you get mine, put Nika on top. Go, I beg. You see me here so, I did duty. If you see me here so, I did act from order from above. So don't come here, can't distract me. Allow me concentrate.
It's alright. I understand. See, I only come for what I'm hungry.
Allow your mother. Go and drink water. Okay, don't disturb me, please. I'm busy. Go. Hey, stop that.
The king wants to see you now.
Come back here. Where are you going?
I want to go and check my watch. She asked a question.
What has been keeping you?
Your Majesty. That work that you gave me is not small work. Oh. It's very, very tasking. And I like it, so I'm doing it very well. I can do it 24/7.
Vero, please. I'm famished. Get me something to eat.
You're famine.
Not famine. What she means is that we are hungry. Go and get it on.
Your Majesty, even me, I'm very hungry.
You're sitting.
My eyes are turning me. I'm seeing my grandmother and my grandfather, all my relatives that have died. I'm communicating with them because of hunger.
Listen, Vero, can you just stop talking and go and get the lunch? What?
The lunch. Oh, okay. Okay.
Oh, what's going on?
Please, Damijo, just say the thing, okay?
Yes, Auntie.
I'm sorry. What do you say I should go and do again?
You silly. Our food.
That is the lunch now.
Yes.
My sister, why did I come here again?
Go and get their lunch.
That is what they will eat. Right? Your Majesty, I'm going.
Just go! What's this all about?
Where did you get this girl from? Where is she from?
Vero don't talk palace here. Obuluze market here. Eba na ito belala. Everybody they hear we because of Vero. Even me.
So Veronica, you've been here sleeping while the king is waiting for his lunch.
How long have you been here? Because nobody is allowed to do this kitchen without my permission.
What is wrong with you? The king has been waiting for his lunch.
The king is waiting for me?
Yes.
Why?
Hey, Chimo. Veronica, please, can you stop all this your drama? Can you stop all this your drama and serve them lunch?
Lunch?
last supper, breakfast.
Everybody they hear me because of Vera. Even the way and love because of Vera. Vera don't talk palace here. Obuluze market here. Eba na yito belala. Everybody they hear me because of
Which food? The food I asked you to prepare since morning, Pero.
I know, Your Majesty. You don't tell me to prepare any food. You said I should go and man security in the kitchen. And that's what I've been doing there since, manning security.
You mean you didn't prepare any food?
Yes. For where? No. I've just been there. I've just been there, very hungry, manning security. Nobody coming. You say like a 10 now.
Get out of my sight.
Okay, sir.
This girl is a witch, I told you. Just get out. You're telling her to get out, so you're not going to punish her.
I'm not ready to run, man. I don't have that time. Please, let's go out to lunch. Let's go to town. I can't stand this. Let's go. You're still waiting for her. Let's go.
Meat? Flesh. Veronica said she is looking for some pieces of meat. Did you take them? And she is there accusing Auntie Nana.
If Auntie Nana did not take it, I am sure you're the one who took it because I don't trust you.
Ego, you are mad. You're mad. In fact, you do not have sense. Anyway, I don't have your time. I want to watch them fight. You see this fight between Vero and Auntie Nana? I will watch it. And I'm sure Oladi did not touch that pot. You. Ego, I am suspecting you. Ajong.
No, don't tell me that. I deserve the better place in this palace. For crying out loud, I am carrying your child, possibly the heir to the throne.
And that's why I appreciate you so much. Listen, you are very important to me, Nana. And possibly to the entire kingdom very soon.
And you want me to leave your bedroom because your barren wife is coming back from London?
Listen, I'm not asking you to leave the palace. I'm just saying move to the guest room. I mean...
And act like a new maid for a woman who cannot even give you a child.
I'm not asking you to do that. Listen, she will know very soon that you're my new wife. Just step down briefly.
You are the greatest mistake of my entire life. I'll fix it.
Stop this. You have to stop this.
I am leaving this house today.
At no cost to. Please.
Please, you have decided to behave like a well-trained person. Go home. In fact, I help you carry your bag.
Will you take that bag inside?
Your Majesty, she wants to go home. Driver! Driver!
Take the bag inside.
I am going home. I want to go.
Leave the bag. If I get out of my sight.
Majesty,
I said go inside.
I am going home. I am going home. When I get home, I'm going back to the city. I will raise my child alone. I will raise him well.
Don't say that. Listen, okay. What if I place you on a daily allowance of 200,000 rand for you and the child, and then you stay in the palace? Come on, this is no time to cry. Don't let people mock you. Come inside. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. It's okay. I don't understand why you are crying. In a few months, you'll be the mother of a potential king of this kingdom. You should be happy.
What about your wife? She might kill me if she learns that I'm pregnant for you.
I don't know why you allude to such information. She'll never do anything. And if I suspect that she has such a plan in her head, I will send her back to her people. Feel safe, my dear.
Promise. Promise you will not hurt me.
Oh, come on. How can I hurt a woman who is carrying my child? Nana, I love you. It is my duty to make you the happiest woman on earth. I promised that before. I will still do it. Listen, to prove that to you, tomorrow I will buy you a new car. Okay?
Thank you very much. You're a good man. Thank you.
It's okay.
I believe you are Nana.
Nana for short, okay? Any problem?
King Odinka sent me to you.
Are you serious? Okay?
He asked me to give you this.
Wow! Thank you very much, okay? Greet it for me.
No problem.
Thank you.
That Iyke is so foolish, I would have considered him my lover. Oh. No, Baba. Iyke might want to sell me to buy clothes for another of his lover because he sold his father's motorcycle. Hi. But I think I no careful. Love is love, oh. Huh? Love is love. Because no one has mentioned love to me in a very long time. Huh? Iyke. Love. Love is love. Hi.
Why are you doing this to me? I am sorry. For 7 months now I've been begging you. Please forgive me. Please.
Chima, what is your problem? What is your problem? Is it that you don't read facial reaction or you are running mad? No. Can't you see I'm not in a good mood right now? What is it?
That is why you need my love. I love you so much. Let me give you that love so you'll be in a better position to talk to me.
Hey. Okay, you love me, Abi?
Yes.
And you can do anything for me, Akoya?
Yes.
Alright. Nonsense.
Iyke.
Eh? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Okay, please, I'm sorry. I love you. You know I love you.
You love who? You love who?
You.
Do you know what is love?
Yes.
Because I don't love you. I don't love you. What is it? Amuka, leave me alone now. Leave me alone. I said I don't love you.
I love you.
What do you know what love is? Amuka, beg. Amuka.
I cannot.
Thank God I met you here. Please, did you tell her what I told you? Eh? Don't. Hey! What is it? Love me.
Nana.
Mama.
What are you doing?
I'm just here reading the chat of my love.
Nana, I am so scared of what is about to happen.
Scared?
Yes.
What's about to happen, Mama?
Adako was here earlier. She told me that Iyke said he will kill you and kill himself. Have you seen it? Leave me alone.
Mama, Iyke said he will kill me. Come on, Mama. Iyke that cannot even hurt a fly. Eh? Please forget Iyke, he's just making noise.
Do you know that Iyke sold his father's motorcycle to buy new clothes for you?
No. If you go near Mama, this is the kind of man you want me to marry. Eh?
Hi, please. Nana, you have to take it easy. Eh? Take things easy before you land yourself into trouble. What is going on?
Mama, you can ask that question again, Mama.
I am asking again, what is going on here?
Mama, God has buttered my bread, Mama.
God has buttered your bread?
Yes, so, Mama.
How?
Mama, my God has blessed me with a rich and famous man in this town.
Wait, so. Dozier is rich? Eh? All of a sudden. But he just graduated and he is still here in the village.
Hey, Mama, who is talking of Dozier? I am talking of men and you're talking of boys. Mama, I'm not talking of Dozier now. Bikokwa.
Nana, are you in love with another man?
No. The question should be, is another man in love with me? Or have I been found worthy of being loved by King Odinka?
King Odinka?
Yes, Mama.
Don't you know he is married? Nana, I am not in support of that. Yes!
Married men are wonderful lovers.
Nana, you are unbelievable. What would people say? Yes! And what would his wife do when she learns that you are having an affair with her husband?
Mama.
Nwokoye?
Hey, God, Mama. Look at what you're saying. Mama, for me, I've long forgotten about what people will say. They have their mouths, let them talk. Eh? I have my reason for accepting him. His wife has no child. I might be the mother of the next king of this town.
Hell! I am very sure of what I am saying. Everyone thinks it is only I, Chima, that is after men. Now, Nana is going around sleeping in the hotel. Nobody wants to say anything about it. If it is Chima, they will tie me to the tree and flog me.
You mean Nana now goes around in the hotel to sleep?
Yes.
Okay, I think I know what to do. I am going to inform the age grade and the youths now to go and bring her and get her flogged. That is what I'm going to do.
Now a man is talking in this village.
So Nana think now she now sleep around in the hotel in this village.
Yes.
Don't worry, I know what to do. In fact, let me go.
Please use the very big stick so that she cannot walk again.
It is an abomination. So don't pretend as if you have not heard it.
I swear by Annie. I'm hearing this for the first time. I wonder why her mother did not mention this to me.
Then go and ask her that question. If Odinka wants to marry her, then let him come and pay her bride price.
Ichie, thank you for the information. I will really do something about it.
You better do. And do it fast. As in Eme Gwangwa, Eme Alodachi.
Oh yeah.
I do not want to be part of any form of abomination. Ema can see Eme. Obiam Nishi. Ema can see Eme.
I got that.
Do something fast. Mbano. Kodi.
Not the man. Kodi no.
I've not heard this. She only told me she's going to Onitsha to see her friend.
They had to come back home and stay away from Odinka. If Odinka wants to marry her, let him come here and pay her bride price. Okay, say Mofe. That is what you have to tell her. Go.
What exactly is wrong with Nana? What is wrong with this girl?
Have you heard what I heard?
What did you hear?
I heard Nana is doing Ashawo in the guest house.
What is Ashawo?
Ashawo now, Ashawo.
Who told you that?
Have you forgotten that my brother works there? I even know her room number. He goes there to see her. And even King Odinka and other men, they go to sleep with her.
Well, I'm not surprised. If she like, let her use less her life there. If she wants to die, let her die. We'll bury her in this village. Nonsense. Nonsense.
Iyke, can I come to your house?
No. Please, allow me. Let me survive from the shock Nana left me with.
I want to come and visit you.
Oh God. I don't attend to visitors. Allow me now.
Iyke, let me just come and visit. Just visit.
Who told you this?
Mama, I just saw her with my own eyes. Or were you thinking she was at Odinka's house? No, Mama, I saw her at the guest house. At the guest house, Mama.
Hey, what did I do to Nana to deserve all this?
Mama, I want to be on my way now.
Oh, my dear. Thank you for the information.
No, but Mama, don't think too much.
I will not think.
No.
How? Hi.
What am I doing?
I will go there.
I know it was you who told her mother that thing. It was you.
Is he not shameless? Why must she make it look like all our girls are loose? Why?
Is it not good that people like you mind their business?
Hey, I know you are angry.
No, me, I know you're angry because I am in love with Iyke. Same person you're also in love with. Hey! Fiawa! Shut up your mouth. In love with who? That one. Hey! Adaku, you have suffered. Me? In love with that thing that sold his father's motorcycle to buy clothes for my girlfriend. Am I mad? With that thing? Rubbish. You don't even have sense. If you like, be moving around the village looking for who to love you. Iyke cannot love you and can never. I don't blame you. You're lucky. Look at you. You think it's by hanging your waist? Ooh, you cannot love you. I have it. He cannot love you. Hey, Adaku, you have suffered though. Iyke. Bow. I have better dreams. It's not Iyke. Hi. Hi. This girl have insulted me. Oh. What have I? I will teach her a lesson. This thing will not end here. Chalo.
I heard my daughter is here doing a shower job.
Ashawo?
Yes.
Please, we do not run such business here.
I know what I am saying.
You know what you're saying? Please, ma'am. If your daughter is Ashawo, she's not here.
I will shout, oh. I will shout and tell everyone in this village what you people do here in this hotel. I'm shouting now. I will begin to shout now.
Please, if you do not leave here now, I'll have to tell the security to unleash the dogs on you.
Oh, you want to tell the security to unleash the dogs for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Ngwano. Tell the security, let me see.
Security! Security!
Okay. I'm going.
No, don't leave.
God will deal with you people. God will deal with you people for leading my daughter astray. Hey!
Ezin, why are you shouting?
Maz, I was about coming to your house.
Look at me here. What is the problem?
Is it not Nana? Nana left the house since! And someone told me she saw her at the guest house. I went there now, and they told me she did not come there. Maz.
Ezin, things are not done that way.
What do you mean?
Ezin, you should have asked questions.
Like what?
Did you not hear that she has become a concubine to King Odimgbe? Or are you pretending? Bo.
Mazi, I want my daughter back.
Oh, you didn't hear what I said? Huh?
Mazi. You are what?
You heard me right, Mama.
You are pregnant for Odinka. Nana, what is wrong with you?
Mama, the thing is that we went on a little adventure and it yielded a good result.
It yielded a good result? What about his wife?
Mama, calm down now. Just think like me. Think like me, Mama. By now you should be congratulating me because soon I will be the next queen of this.
Nana, you have killed me. Look at the way you ended up ruining your life. Just imagine. How? Hey. I don't want to die. Hey.
Mama, what is it? Die. Nobody is killing you. Can't you don't want to die. You sent for me. You scared me, okay? What is it?
Adako. Lolo called me on phone. And she threatened to kill Nana. If she doesn't leave her house.
Kill?
She threatened to kill Nana if she doesn't leave her house.
Remember, the Lolo I know cannot even threaten to kill anybody. She's a good woman. She cannot do that.
Are you telling me that I'm still a child that doesn't know what threat means?
Mama, what about you? This serious? It's as if you are serious. Oh. Hey, what do we do now?
I'm telling you that she threatened to kill Nana. You are here telling me how the
Mama,
serious.
There's no problem. Use my phone. Let's call Nana. You talk to her with my phone.
Okay. Oh, you have her number here. Bring out the number.
I know you don't have card. Use my phone. Oh, yeah. I've died.
Have you called? Hello, Nana. Can you hear me now? Please, I want to see you today. In fact, I want to see you now. 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 Start coming now. Okay, I'm waiting. Okay.
She said she's coming.
She said she's coming.
Chet.
Let's wait for her.
Mama, that Chet is serious. Hi.
Let's wait for her. I don't want anything to happen to my daughter.
Please. I do not want to hear anything about her. Please.
Hey, Lolo has already threatened to kill Nana if she does not leave the palace. And I've called Nana since morning on phone. Yet she has not come.
Please, let her leave the royal couple to enjoy their marriage. What is all this? I don't know. Please, I am on my way. I'm going for a meeting.
Mazi.
Where are you now?
Nana, thank God. Thank God you are here. Hey.
Why did you sound like that on phone?
Nana, please, you have to leave the palace. Lolo told me she will kill you if you don't leave her husband alone.
Wait, please. Is that why you called me?
Hey. Chimo. Yes, that is why I called you. You have to leave her and her husband. Please, leave her alone.
Mama, please. Please, Mama, please. Don't call me for this kind of thing again. Don't, Mama. I don't like it. I don't like it at all.
Nana, you have to leave the palace. That is what I'm telling you. You have to leave that palace.
Mama, I should leave my home.
Your home?
Mama, you. Even you, Mama. Mama, please. Don't call me for this kind of thing again.
If you are going back to that palace, you have to be very careful. Pico.
Did you just say if? I don't understand. Where else will I live?
It's not as if I don't want you to live in the palace. I just want you to be very, very careful. You know, if something happens to you there, hey, nobody will come to your rescue, and they might not be very risky. Pico, just be careful.
Don't worry. Nothing will happen to me, okay? But wait, are you among the people praying for me to die in that palace?
Hey, Mbao! Tufiakwa! Hi! My friend, how can you say a thing like this? How can I pray for you to die? No, I want you to live in the palace. Mana, you have to be careful, that's all. Kibadanya, makando. Oh?
You know what? You know what? I am tired of talking about this issue.
Sorry, don't be offended. You are my friend though, and I want the best for you. See how fine you are looking. This palace, they are really treating you nice.
My friend, don't worry, okay? I'm fine. Very fine. In fact, more than fine.
Oh, it's obvious. When you go see, don't worry, I will come to the palace and see you. Really? Yes.
I'm expecting you
Okay.
there.
Oh, just see, okay.
Alright. Take care of you.
No problem. Wayo, easy, gently, huh?
What is it? What is it? Nana? Nana?
My tummy! My tummy!
Nana?
Wait!
Nana?
My tummy! Nana! Why she scream? What is wrong with her?
Nana? Nana? What did you put?
What did you put in the yogurt? Me?
Nana?
I didn't put anything inside the yogurt.
Nana?
I didn't put anything inside.
If you do not speak, you should do something. Nana? What did you put in the yogurt?
Nana!
Nana?
I did not put
Nana?
anything inside.
Speak the truth. Nana?
Nana, what did you do?
Nana? Nana? Can I hear the truth? What did you put? What did you put in the yogurt?
God, why are you doing this?
Speak!
I'll talk!
What did you put in the yogurt?
I'll talk.
Let's hear the truth.
I poisoned it. I poisoned the yogurt. Poisoned what? I am sorry. Hey! I wanted to kill Lolo. Because I'm pregnant for the kid too. I am sorry. What? Please forgive me. It's the devil. It's the devil, my friend. Please forgive me. She will not die. Let's take her to the hospital.
I'm sorry. Lolo. I'm sorry, please forgive
Me, your friend.
I'm sorry, please. Forgive me.
Shebi, you say you love me, you love me, you love me. Show it, whether I'm present, absent, my dear. Shebi, you say you love me, you love me, you love me. Show it, whether I'm present, present, present. When I'm present, absent.
You need to hear this.
Hear what?
Nana.
Her name is not Nana. Call her Nena. And what about her?
She's dead.
How? When? Where?
Today. She died today in Odinka's palace.
Hey!
I heard she was poisoned.
Nena, see what you have done to yourself. Hey! Who do we run to? Who do we go to now? Hey!
Mazi. I think I should go and tell her mother. I should go and tell her mother. Let me go. Let me go.
How? Hey, you ruined yourself. Hey! Hey!
Mama! What is it?
Mama? Huh? Nothing else. There's something. No, there's nothing.
Which one is nothing or there is something? What happened?
Mama, I do not know how to say it. I don't know how to say it.
Oh, say it the way it is.
Hey. Oh. Mama. Let me help you with your bag,
Okay, let's go. Adako. Okay, let's go. Adako, Mama, just tell me exactly what happened.
Mama.
Are you crying?
No.
What happened, Adako?
I don't know how to say it though. Hey.
You are crying, no?
Nana?
What happened to Nana?
Nana is dead, Mama. Nana is dead.
It's alright. You see, the fly that refuses to heed the advice ends up in the grave with the corpse. That's exactly what happened here. It's alright. Wipe out your tears. Stop crying. I will go to King Odinka to ask for her corpse. Stop crying. Huh? Chairman.
What am I hearing?
That is the way we see it.
You see? I tried to stop this from happening, but it seems I was crossing my boundary. Look at it now.
Let me first go and see her mother. Ichie, can you please
follow me to the palace of Ezuruonye to reclaim the body. Huh?
Mazi, as you can see now, I was on my way home. My in-laws are waiting for me. Let me get home first and see them. Maybe when you are ready, I will go with you.
Okay. Then I will come to your house direct. We'll go from there. Okay. All right. Odimma.
So what killed her?
She was poisoned.
She was poisoned. Good! That is very good. She was poisoned. Have you seen it? This is what happened to those people that think they are in charge of their lives. She was poisoned.
How could you speak ill of the dead? How could you?
That is when the dead did not commit anything when they were living. Yes, she did a lot of atrocities in this world when she was alive. That suits her.
Nana was a good friend. She don't deserve all this.
Are you for real? No, have you forgotten so soon? Have you forgotten how that girl wrecked me in this village? After all the love and sacrifice I showed to her, after all the gifts I rendered to her and her family, she left me for one idiot.
Nana.
I beg, I'm not ready for all those nonsense. Excuse me. I thought he called me for better things.
Nana.
Is it true?
I guess we are happy now. This is what you've wanted.
No, I'm not happy. Why? It's okay. I'm sorry.
Amaka, don't touch me again.
Amaka, don't touch me again.
But wait. Is it the right thing for me to follow him to Igbodenka? I know. I will have to think about it. I will think about it. My in-law! I do not think I'm doing the right thing.
How do you mean?
Odinka owes us apology. He should come to us and apologize and even marry Nana's corpse.
Well, let us first get there. Let's first get there and other things.
Mazi, I won't be that foolish. Oh, I am going up.
Going home?
And I'm going home.
Please, I'm sorry, my love. Forgive me.
To think that I trusted you with my life is heartbreaking.
Please.
If you are going, I'll follow you. Let me go with you, because I will not stay here if you are not here. I'll follow you.
Will you shut up and leave? She's not going anywhere. Please, I'm sorry.
Michael. Please, don't go. I dreamt and I saw you carrying twin babies. Stay, let me take care of you. Please.
Don't worry, if I have my baby, I will send for you.
I'll follow you. Let me go and pack my things.
Are you pregnant?
It doesn't matter anymore. Go ahead and enjoy your life. I'll have my child and raise my child alone.
No, please don't say like that. Beg of you. Just forgive me, please. Listen, to err is human, to forgive divine. Please.
And you cheated on me with my friend, my best friend.
Oh, that is in the past now. I'm a changed man. Please.
Already, my queen.
Take those bags inside.
She said we're leaving.
Take them inside. Please. I'm a changed man. Please.
We're not going again.
We're going to Canada. We're going to Canada.
I'm coming with you.
Yes, I'm tired. I need to rest.
Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. Come here. You're coming with us. I can't afford to leave you here. You're a good person.
Thank you, my queen.
Brother, just say you fit to do this work. Brother, just say you sabi this work. Brother say she be professional. Any kind of work, she go do it. Any type of job, she go do it. As professional where she be, she's expecting promotion. But if you deny her promotion, na protection. Get ready for her trouble. Na protection. Her trouble will not end. She go protest. But if you deny her promotion, na protection. Get ready for her trouble. Na protection. Her trouble will not end. She go protest. Veronica not the man. She's fighting for her right. Veronica, she go protest. Everybody they hear me because of it. Even the way I love because of it. Everybody they hear me because of it. Even the way I love because of it. They don't talk palace here. Obuluze market here. Ebana yito belala. Everybody they hear me because of it. Even the way I love because of it. Everybody they hear me because of it. Even the way I love because of it.